That's so.
You deal with Arab money. I've been spending over 8.8 billion on Imisi. You understand?
I don't like go.
My favorite is how they went to go touch, their, little thinking, little faces, teeth, everywhere, like more. They went for their, treats. They're giving a special treats from dentist to their face, facial. Why, guys? It's giving 100, so they go receive some treat. Okay, this is Kaybobo dancing. They were like, they were Kaybobo dancing after throwing bomb, after causing chaos on the TL. What chaos has haircut, guys? Make sure you watch this video to the end because a lot is stuck for you because there is no doubt in here. Oh hey guys, catch you in the other end.
Fresh face.
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Look with this face, nigga. I'm always good.
Fine, let's go.
Tell me don't stop,
You look good. You look good. Did you enjoy today's clinic?
So noonie.
Yeah, I'm glad you did. Beautiful ladies in the house. Isabella, sultanabbnaija, and Dede. Hello from this side of the world. Hi, Jay.
Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. And then please have fun and have a welcome to Exclusive Smile. Okay, we are so excited to have all the top 9 of bbnaija season 10, and we had to welcome you to Exclusive Smile, and this is our team. Okay, so we're Exclusive Smile and Phoenix Derma. So bbnaija housemates over the years, they have been with us. Most of them are like family now. They've been our patients. We have created consultations, x-rays, some cleaning procedures with all 4 of us doctors, as well as skin analysis with Phoenix Derma. Okay, and then we would be taking Beyonce for that. Okay, so we welcome you again, and we are so happy to have you.
Okay, let's take it together. Hello, Imisi.
Hello, this is Dr. Utu.
To go in between, initially. So just so you know how they feel it. One, two, don't worry. You can come in.
No, say not like this. It is sweet. This for me alone. Thank you. Anybody do this?
They had so many. Right, so that's what they look like, clear aligners. So when you put it on your teeth, just like that. So each aligner has the reason why it works fast, because then you don't have to use it as quick as possible. The reason why Nephew's Day.
You're welcome.
I was like,
Yes, ma'am.
Did you enjoy those clips? That's so lovely. Those are where your favorite went to go receive some, cleaning, some, looking so good from Colgate. Invite them from some touches, cleaning of teeth and all stuff like that, looking healthier and having the nicest fresh bread ever. Like guys, someone said Coin is finally sanitizing his mouth from all the cases. Lord, we're grateful. Oh God, we are grateful. Are you guys grateful for that? Anyway, if you can see your top 9, yes, top 9 finally is receiving treats from different brands. So far Colgate called them to come sanitize some aspect as earlier explained. So guys, is the main cocoa of this is in every day there is a main cocoa. This is Kaybobo on leave. Yes, having a conversation when he was asked about Imisi, and he was like, okay, I'm not Imisi caretaker, I'm not Imisi, go on Imisi no live, or perhaps on her snap, go engage with her, but me, I have my own time. And you guys have been tagging me like, oh guys, I don't want to dissect it. So a lot of people were like, hey Kaybobo, is that you giving us Bob Shakabula push show? What you didn't give us after the had, but let's dissect this. So someone comes to his snaps and say, after the whole chaos, hi Kaybobo, sending love from Ghana. Please don't pay attention to any hate comments, especially those about you and Imisi. I personally love your friendship. The way you two could fall out and still find your way back showed how genuine the bond was, and it was clear Imisi enjoy your company to the face will pass. People are emotional right now, and we say all sort of things. I just to get a reaction, kindly shut them out. You both will be fine. Just don't give the negative voice any attention. Okay guys, do you know what this is happening? They were like trying to Kaybobo say peace and harmony between me and the Imisi Oloa, like between me and the Imisi Oloa. Anyway guys, you can see hype on hype. You can see how the fans were like, I know you cherish Imisi very much, so don't let any families come between you guys, that they are not worth losing the friendship for kindness. Oh yeah, advice from Surya. I miss Biggie voice. Someone said the resident chef in Biggie's voice. He now said I miss Biggie voice. Oh, anyway guys, just want to say, anybody love Kaybobo reached me since the day I saw. So the fans were just hyping him based on what happened. And guys, the question is what happened. Anyway, before I open the most cocoa, because that has been trending lately about Kaybobo with Imisi's, because of that he spilled about Imisi, that people are dragging him that he's looking for clout courtesy of 8 million naira. This is why he said he wants to meet. If you want to meet Imisi, go on her page, because I don't dare hear say I dey use her the chest clout. I am my own person chasing clout for 80 million naira. That was what Kaybobo, and they were like, so people were like, it's not necessary. Hey, you haven't said this. Do you feel like, or do you feel Kaybobo should have said things of this such? You feel like Kaybobo should have said it. This one say, who we go believe? People were dragging Kaybobo yesterday because he was so close to her at yesterday party. Well said Kaybobo, as if you have shared on the 80 million which clouds Instagram likes. Or what? Love you, Kay. Don't stop being bodyguard to the win. Oh, they were like the both of them are the closeness. People were just talking about their closeness in the winners party. Kita came and say Kaybobo, but that was very unnecessary of you. Very. It just shows he's never regarded as a friend. Cause what the F, because of fam bra that happen every year, you come to the TL to shade Imisi. Oh yeah, do you think it's necessary? This one said the same Kaybobo that Imisi had conversation with in private used it to mock her during fight that one at I will never rate such friendship. Or do you think being insulted by thousands of people is easy to accept? Because it happens to other housemates. You should understand fans are emotionally draining these people and still expect okay. This was it. Now you are the biggest hypocrite on the street. They insulted him, mom, just because of a lead dance, but where he draw the line is where he defend himself. I didn't. They even went as far as going as far as throwing shade on the mall. Oh, that's so bad. That is so that's gone to an extreme. No, it's not supposed to be. Okay, that's so bad of them. This was a beggar, but let's hear unnecessary as how you don't tell any people what you. Oh yeah, so people are dragging a person that is unnecessary of Kaybobo. This was a Kimi number one. Kaybobo true hypocrite. Where was your dark heart when he was being ridiculed last night? So today you were blind of what? Didn't you see the mockeries? Oh yeah. So he did not shade her. I beg. It's those useless fans or Kumisi shippers that won't stay in one place. I beg. I blame the fans. You all hype our girls alone. Okay guys, so like you can see, this was they are successful spoiled this friendship. I hate you all for real. Anyway guys, what fans can do, you can't even predict, or you will even see it, but you will be like, oh yeah, fans can bring beef between two friendship. That's how and what it does. So people are kicking against what Kaybobo. Some like on his side, while some are on the other end that it's quite unnecessary of him. Guys, is that true? Did you resonate with what people saying? Because I don't see any bad thinking in someone being friends with some people, somebody, like maintaining the friendship. Or yeah, some people like, I didn't see this coming, yeah, it just happened out of the blue. You know, people know how to twist red. But even at that, guys, being a friendship, or yeah, they're like, oh, the closeness, the siblingship, this one happened, like people will always say, but just do you. I was like, it's quite unnecessary. You shouldn't have even give them, you know, what to talk about. You know yourself, but in as much as it's not that easy, yeah, to, you know, let go of the sadness, because they will be hitting so hard. For him to have come out to have spilled this, that means they have gone to an extreme. And some people don't like it when, you know, when they have something doing, and you know, they will be seeing in another light when they have nothing bad in their mind, and you know, people come out saying, of course, but if I were him, and we are not the same. Do everybody know how they handle their shit, how they handle their soft, yeah, their stuff. So I will let it slide. I will not even allow more people, in as much as to get to me, or it will even dream, because the housemates are even facing it already. In fact, this is just the beginning of the true shit so far, because they should get ready to what they would see in it. Because hey, in fact, they will go to therapists like millions times, because they need talking, they need, you know, they will need many talking. Even family, friends will talk to them and make them feel at ease, because this, in fact, you know, this step they have taken is not easy. In as much as it will bring a much open doors for them, and you know, huge opportunities for them, but it's a risk. So it's a two-faced thing. It's the advantage and the disadvantage. Everything in life have advantage and disadvantage. So the question is, are you ready to face the hate that comes with the thing? Because when you are a star, and when you are a celebrity, because you are meant to expect anything. So coming up saying this, and it's getting to you guys like this, hey, what happened to others that you would even, in fact, you don't even least expected that, you don't even see coming? So I would have said it's quite unnecessary though, but he wouldn't have. No, that is my own take, but he has handled it the whole way. But those who are throwing or shading him, that doesn't make sense. If I were to give my take, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't necessarily make sense. So guys, while that is going on, people are just hyping him for hyping Dede, you know, in it. Yeah, that clip you saw, the way he was calling Dede the final. So the Dede fans were just believing that Kaybobo keep on breaking people's neck on the TL, ranging from that of Imisi to that of Dede. The only hype so far has started causing, you know, people's neck on the TL. Not to not go see though, but guys, what I say, bring it coming, because I'm hanging up to see my next video. All this tuning and stay tuned. Bye for now.